we are headed down a trail. This cache is called Nature Calls. $160 feet. This way. I see something blue. I see something blue. Something out of the ordinary. Nope. Just a bucket. Okay. When nature calls. Let's see here. Hey! Oh my God. It says outhouse rules. Pick your own leaves, check for critters, scratch matches at your own risk, turn off flashlight, shut the door, and keep varmints out. Oh, that's hilarious. And we got our little toilet papers here. All right, so where's the log? Changing the toilet paper roll will not cause brain damage. All right, so under here, there's that's where the cache is. So how do we get it out? He sits there. So how do we get the cache out, Hollyn? How do we do it? Do you know? So I wonder if this spins. If I push. What do you think, huh? Is this silly? Is this silly? I know. She says, what are we doing out here in the woods? Sign the log. We gotta sign the log, Hollyn. That itchy nose. I know. I'm trying to log it, and you're knocking my hand. It's not very. I know. Okay, so in order to put this back, we lift the toilet paper up, and then this goes back in and click. I say that that is a favorite. Awesome cache. Wow. Yeah, that's awesome. Nature calls. We'll see you next time.